How much does it cost to replace a ball joint? Your mechanic may have informed you that your car, truck, or SUV needs ball joints, but this is a simple task for a skilled mechanic. The cost to replace a ball joint can vary, but if you don't put your car's ball joints through hard driving, they won't cause much trouble. Over time, even well-maintained cars can develop defective ball joints, leading to signs like shaking and uneven tire wear. Drivers may notice their car's balance is off due to weak suspension caused by faulty ball joints. What is a car ball joint? A stud that spins inside a metal housing and a socket inside a greased casing make up a ball joint in a car. It is a small but important shock-absorbing component of the front suspension system of the car. The wheels of your car are connected to the steering and control systems by ball joints. Upper and lower ball joints vary based on the kind of vehicle and suspension system. How much does it cost to replace a ball joint? One ball joint replacement for a typical car is anticipated to cost between $200 and $350, components and labor included. Replacement prices for complicated suspension systems in high-end or luxury automobiles could be above $350. For repeated ball joint replacements, several shops offer packages to reduce labor expenses. Wheel alignment often comes after replacement and costs $50 to $150. What are the factors affecting ball joint replacement cost? Depending on the type of ball joint used in the suspension system of the vehicle, the price to replace a suspension ball joint can change. The two primary types are 1. Non-greasable ball joints. Although these pre-sealed ball joints don't require lubrication, they may eventually need to be completely replaced. Although they are less expensive, they have a short lifespan. 2. Greasable ball joints. These ball joints are a little more expensive, but they have a longer service life because they can be lubricated while being maintained. The price is heavily influenced by the vehicle's year, model, and make. Locations with easy access to a ball joint cost less to employ. Effective driving with a faulty ball joint. Driving with a broken suspension ball joint can seriously affect how well the car performs and how safe it is for the occupants. Following failure to heed the warning signals can result in 1. Reduced control. The stability and alignment of the vehicle are compromised by a damaged ball joint, which reduces control and handling. This may lead to erratic steering responses and trouble keeping the intended course. 2. Tire détérioration. Uneven tire wear brought on by a malfunctioning ball joint might result in early tire deterioration, necessitating more frequently expensive tire repairs. 3. Damage to the suspension system. Using a worn ball joint continuously can place additional stress on the suspension parts, perhaps causing failure or damage to other components of the suspension system. 4. Safety risks. Driving with a damaged ball joint increases the likelihood of accidents, reduced braking effectiveness, and loss of control during turns or emergency maneuvers. 5. Costly repairs. Ignoring a broken ball joint might result in more extensive suspension system damage, which will ultimately cost more to repair. Why do ball joints need replacement? Ball joints experience regular wear and tear, just like every other component of an automobile. Deterioration can also be accelerated by dirt and other contaminants. Another reason for faulty ball joints is a lack of lubrication. If I replace my ball joints, do I still need an alignment? Theoretically, a front-end alignment is optional while replacing ball joints. However, it is rather typical for a mechanic to additionally realign the car's wheels after a ball joint replacement because the ball joints affect steering and how the vehicle rolls down the road. Typically, an alignment costs $100. If this video is very informative, subscribe for more.